welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Makeup Monday. If you're new to this channel, then we do lots of random stuff. I do a lot of nail videos. We have Makeup Monday every Monday where I do some kind of video on makeup, whether it's a haul, an eye makeup look, testing, anything like that. Today's video in particular is on the Makeup Revolution. What is this called? The Fast Base Stick Foundation. Now mine is in the shade F1, which I believe is the lightest shade. And this is what it looks like. So yeah, basically I'm going to try this out on my face and see what it's like. See basically my first impressions of it. I can't give you like a full-on review because I've not been using it for a while, but you know what I'm saying. It's very early in the morning right now. My voice is a bit like croaky. I probably look a bit of a mess, but it's all good because we're going to do our makeup, so then it'll be all good. If you are new, please do hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you enjoy this video, give me a like because that would also help me out. Let's just get into it. Now, I'm not entirely sure how I would apply this. I guess with a makeup sponge, but I need to go wet one. Now, my first kind of concern about this is basically just that I'm worried it's going to be dry. I have got today, now I like to try and use the same primers and the same things. Because we're having such hot weather at the moment, I'm using this primer because it's got SPF 25 in it. So, I mean, hopefully that won't affect anything. But yeah, I needed a bit of SPF on my face, so let's get into it. Hopefully, we're going to be able to see whether it's going to cover because of all this horribleness I have. Now, I'm not a stick foundation user. And I don't particularly know really how much I'm supposed to use. I don't like to put a lot on my forehead because obviously the deep lines going on there. So let's just try that and see. I'm just using a sponge. I guess I should have done one side first and I didn't even think. Yeah, the only thing really where I was kind of feeling a bit worried about it was it being dry and therefore looking a bit cakey. But, I mean, that is something that you do sometimes have to deal with when you want full cover. But I don't feel like I used that much then, and that's like covered pretty well. Pretty darn well. I'm quite pleased with the coverage actually. It's not mega hard to blend in either, which I feel like could be a thing with stick foundations. I don't really have much to compare it to, but obviously I've seen other people do reviews on stick foundations and sometimes I do think people can be like, oh, it's a bit hard to blend in. So I feel like I'm going to put a little bit more down here and we can see how it builds. But yeah, other than that, I'm feeling it, actually. I think I might prefer this more than the other one. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, I did just do a review the other week on the other Makeup Revolution foundation. Is it bright enough? I like the colour. I feel like I have got just a little bit of sun going on. Like I said, it's been really warm in the UK at the moment. So I have got a little bit of tan going on. So it's not really the best colour. But I can tell by looking at it, like even if you look at my main neck, that the colour will suit me perfectly when I haven't got like that bit of tan going on. Which is fine, because I very rarely do, so, you know. Right, okay, so first off the bat, before I put any more makeup on, I'm impressed. I really like it. The cover is good, and I don't think it looks cakey. Now, this up here, this will always happen. It happens straight away. Like look at that straight. I'm gonna get Botox, guys. It's depressing me really badly. I can't stand to look at myself. Right, forget that. Pretend that's not going on. I'm going to go in with my regular makeup just so we can see how it fits. Like, I can put my concealer on and my powder and all that. But yeah, I mean, you can still see this here, but it was quite bad. So really, I'm quite impressed. I think they're about £8. They might be less than that. Are they £5? I can't even remember. But yeah, I'll leave a link to the Tam Beauty website and you can just go on there and have a look. Also, Superdrug do sometimes have 3 for £2 on, and it's definitely worth getting some Makeup Revolution stuff off there on their 3 for £2. So right, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and then I'll be back. So I have got the rest of my makeup on now, and I have to say, so far I am impressed. Like, I'm liking this so far. How much do you get in here? Ooh, you get quite a bit. So I've never, like I said before, I've not used sticks, so I don't know exactly how long it will last. But I don't think like that I used a lot then. So also, how cute is this freaking packaging? It is so cute. I love the packaging. It's very soft as nails-esque. Like, it matches her kind of like thing that she had going on. So yeah, not much I can say in regards to like how it's going to last or anything like that, but first impressions, really pleased with it. Coverage, really good. Fairly natural, not like super cakey. Like, don't get me wrong, you can tell I've got makeup on. But for a full cover foundation, it's not doing too bad. So yeah, I have my regular like face on over the top, no problems whatsoever, and yeah, I guess it'll just be a matter of seeing how long it lasts, and I will do a follow-up. What I might do is do a follow-up where I speak about a few things I've reviewed in that one video and sort of give my, this is my opinion like weeks later or whatever like that. Let me know if that's a good idea to you guys. Like, do you think I should do that? Is that going to be something that's going to be helpful for y'all? And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. There's not really much more I can say at this point in time. But so far, thumbs up to Makeup Revolution! I mean, Revolution. The name's changed and it confuses me. But I've also got one of their palettes on my eyes, and that eye makeup look will probably be up before this one because I need to split. I've got 2 foundations, I need to split that up. Y'all know what I'm saying about that. So you probably have already seen this one. It's the Redemption palette in Iconic Dreams, in case you were wondering. And also, in case anybody was wondering, on my lips, literally just got this Baby Lips by Maybelline, that orange one with like the red inside. And yeah, it's really good. I like it. So thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me comments down below if you have this, if you use this, if you are into any specific foundation at the moment, specifically something for my horrible pores and lines. Somebody has already given me some advice on that, and it was Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Definitely going to try that out. So if you're watching this video, I can't remember the name of the gal, I am going to try that out. So thank you for letting me know about that. Definitely going to try that out. And yes, I guess I'll probably do a video on that soon as well. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.